You know what it is. It's falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone boys. 18 wheels on.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are again with another video. Been a while. I haven't recorded anything because we all been busy working, and I haven't had any time off until today finally. And so I'm gonna be showing you the I'm gonna be doing a walk around of my brother's yellow classic because I don't really have time to do anything else to the trucks at the moment, because everything that we have to do to the trucks, they're all bigger projects, so we don't really have the time to take them apart right now and then put them back together, and yeah, you know what I mean. So we're just gonna do a walk around of my brother's yellow classic on this video, and as soon as we get a chance, we're gonna do the bigger projects. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys the truck. So let's get to it. Alright, here's my brother's classic. It's a little dirty, so you know, just bear with me. Haven't had a chance to clean it, but yeah. But yeah guys, this is my brother's I believe it's a 98, yeah, 1998 Freightliner classic. If not, he'll correct me whenever he watches this. but yeah, we did a lot of work to this truck since we got it. Look, nothing like this. But either way, let me go ahead and start over here. We have obviously a 20-inch blind mount box bumper. Got the original grill. My brother just needs to polish now again, but my brother originally polished it and it looked awesome, but it's been a while, so now it's not as shiny. He put the Peterbilt wheels up right there. Put Peterbilt wheels up in front. Painted the hubs yellow. Lug nut covers, obviously. Like I said, the truck's a little dirty, so yeah. The fenders used to be black. Oh shit, sorry. The fenders used to be black when we actually bought the truck. They actually painted the whole hood yellow, resprayed it, and then the rest of the truck they just put new clear on it because it was pretty faded. Let me see. He added watermelon light here. because there was nothing there. Yeah, just to light it up, I guess, and it made a difference. Looks a lot better with just that one light. 20-inch drop visor, like mine. So yeah, got the mirror lights and the bumper lights to match. He actually chopped these. I don't know if you can. No, probably don't. You probably guys can't tell, but he actually chopped these because these were really high, and he chopped those, so it gives it a better look, I guess you can say. Put the side panels on. This is where we learned how to do it. It was just kind of an idea, and we just did it, and well, it worked, I guess. He has 3/4 inch lights across the bottom, so it lights up also. And he has watermelon lights under here, and here, so it lights up downwards also, which I want to do because yeah, it looks awesome at night. And he has 7-inch Lincoln Chrome stacks, flat tops, of course. He was originally gonna get 8s, but everywhere we called for at the moment, they were back ordered about 2 to 3 months, and we needed them ASAP because the passenger side actually, so the muffler messed up, and we had to go to work. So he just bought these because that's the only ones that were available, and so he can work. That's why it has 7s, but he wants to switch them out to 8s. So yeah, obviously the wheelbase is a 330. It's actually a little bit longer, but we just say 330. So yeah, 34-inch quarter fenders. Sorry guys. Sleeper lights across the back also. And yeah, he wants to obviously add light bars to the back. Honestly, I'm not even too sure what he wants to do to the back. Only he knows what he wants to do to this truck. For sure, deck plate. Definitely needs a deck plate. So yeah, a lot of people ask about the T6. That's actually my uncle's. He's working on it as you know, at the moment. And yeah, just thought I'd throw that out there because I know a lot of people ask about it. And like I said, it's my uncle's. He's working on it. So yeah. But yeah guys, I mean, that's pretty much it, you know. He actually lowered, I mean, obviously still kind of high, but actually lowered the truck, changed the shackles out, and it got a lot lower than it used to. That's one thing my brother always wants to do to this truck, is to bag it. But yeah guys, you know, that's pretty much the truck. And we also took the wings off because yeah, we just like the way they look without them. I mean, us personally, I know there's people that like them and some people that don't or whatever, but we like them without them. So yeah. Alright guys, now that you guys seen the truck from the outside, let's go ahead and jump in so you guys can see the inside. Go ahead and show you the inside real quick. Hopefully he has it clean because I'm gonna record it anyways. This is the inside of my brother's truck, obviously. This dash is actually painted. This is not wrapped. We actually painted this dash. Second dash we ever painted. The first dash we actually painted was my brother's T600. He used to have a red one. That's the first dash we actually painted. It's hot as hell. But yeah, this dash we actually this is the second dash we painted. The first one was my brother's T6. If I can get some pictures of it, I'll go ahead and throw it in the video so you guys can see it. I don't think I have pictures of the dash, just the truck. Most likely just the truck. But I'll go ahead and throw them in here so you guys can see what he used to drive before this one. And yeah, so yeah, I'll go ahead and show you some pictures. Alright guys, those are the pictures of the truck. That's the truck we started getting, started customizing with, because yeah, that was my brother's first truck, so that's what we started messing with it. We did the dash on that one, had 6-inch miter cut stacks, and the visor. Yeah, I had the visor, which was actually for a Peterbilt, and me and my brother, I remember we chopped it up and we made it fit. And we thought it was the coolest thing in the world, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's where we kind of started all that stuff. But yeah, either way, that was this truck. Let me continue with the yellow one. All right, let me see. Let me get on back here. Go ahead and show you the dash from over here. Cool. CB, got an EQ up there. This one actually has the wooden floors, which we need to redo, which he said we were gonna do, but we haven't done it. For system wise, he has 212 kickers mounted on top. He actually wanted to put some other two here, but never got to it, so he only has those two. But yeah guys, that's the inside of my brother's truck. Let me know what you guys think down below. Another thing I forgot, he actually mounted yeah, some kicker speakers up here. So he has those and these now, a little bit louder. CB mounted, same place I have it. I actually got it from him. So yeah guys, that was the inside of the truck. Go ahead and jump off real quick. So yeah, what you guys think of the interior? Woo, it's hot out here guys. But either way guys, that was the truck. Let me know what you guys think of the truck down in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I was walking around my brother's truck. And yeah, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Check it out guys, we are in the Yellow Classic. My brother Gabriel, my brother George, got the system right there. We're just taking the truck out for a spin just cause we're at the yard. So yeah, thought we'd take it for a spin real quick. Check it out guys. Bam.